Tommy? Tommy, I'm Dr. Hanover. How are you today? Tommy, can you tell me your last name?
Williams.
Sorry, can you speak up?
Williams.
Thank you. I'm here from New York. Came especially to see you. You're not impressed.
Is my mother here?
She's in the visitor's lounge. Would you like to see her?
They said I can't go home.
Who?
The doctors, the nurses, Mr. Elvins.
Mr. Elvins.
The other doctor.
Do you know why?
Why what?
You're not ready to go home.
Who said I'm not ready?
You said Mr. Elvins...
I didn't say I'm not ready. You're from New York, huh?
Belmont.
Belmont, New York.
Belmont Hospital in Manhattan.
You came all the way here to see me?
Yes.
Well, if you're here, then who's watching your patients?
There are other doctors. It's a big place, well staffed.
Right. Just logistics.
Why would you say that?
We don't decide.
Decide. What?
Come off it, man. All the way from New York just to pull my chain.
Are you referring to your service in Syria?
Service? What a fucking joke. They were our allies. You don't just turn your back on your friends. He wasn't gonna let them do that. Not with us there. Motherfuckers.
Tommy, are you talking about Staff Sergeant Koloski?
They were just fucking kids. And that's when the order came down. 4-star generals conducting the war from some bunker in Florida. We had to watch these motherfuckers commit atrocities on women and children. I thought ISIS and Al-Qaeda were our enemies. How can our enemy be our friend's friend?
Tommy, take a breath.
Just kids! We were ordered to stand there and watch. Koloski wasn't having any of that shit. Orders or no orders. He got in front of the firing squad. The Turks put their guns down. There was a lot of angry shouting. And then...
Tommy. I'm sorry about Koloski.
Is my mother here?
Would you like me to send for her?
Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time.